Yeah. Big swish on the beat.
Ooh, Umunemo music.
Let go. 2Shotz. I can't be back again, cause I never left. One the key feel, baby boo. I like it when you go down low. Okay, oh baby, you go chop the money if you continue to the shaky body. Asanwa leave plenty talk it. Stop darling and come up to the VIP. In case you don't know, my money pile, forget your Sarah.
For RuffcoinNwaAba, Yeriwa master, you know how it is. And right now we are doing a video shoot for a song 2Shotz featured me in title Come Into My Room, produced by Big Swish. Right here we're in the video shoot, directed by Avalon for Talking Drums Media. It's gonna be a lovely video. It's been a nice day so far, and saying the next one out we'll be wrapping up. I can't wait though.
You get it, of course. Come on, girl, come on, girl. Come into my room.
It's your boy Big Swish, aka you know me. Right here, I came to support my brother, 2Shotz, featuring Ruffcoin, In My Room, a song produced by me. You know.
I'm here filling in the space of DOP, assisting my friend Avalon, shooting also a friend's video called 2Shotz featuring Ruffcoin, Umunemo Entertainment, you know.
Alright, I'm all sweaty and stuff, you know, with all the lights and camera, you know, everything around me. It's a new video, new shoot. We're shooting a song off my new album, titled Boss Build Yourself Success. And this is the new video, the second video from the album called My Room. It features my very good friend and brother Ruffcoin, and starring delectable sweetness, beautiful, sexy Miss Chloe. And it's been directed by Avalon. And well, I'm just waiting for my makeup for the next scene, and then we can kick it.
Hi everyone, it's your girl Chloe, and I'm on set for 2Shotz video, My Room. Oh my god, it's been hectic. I've been filming since morning. I'm so tired right now. I just want to go home, but what will I do? I still have to finish up. I love it. I'm enjoying it. It's fun. It's crazy.
What's up everybody, this is your boy Soj, and I'm hanging out with my man 2Shotz. I'm at this video shoot for the new single Come To My Room featuring Ruffcoin, produced by Big Swish. Director of the video is Avalon. This is my first time working with Avalon, but like we've always talked with like close. But like this is the first time I'm actually experiencing how good he is and you know his skills.
It's been very tedious since morning. The concept is contemporary. It's classical. It has a wonderful storyline. But I'm not gonna let the cat out of the bag. Watch out for this video in my room. 2Shotz featuring Ruffcoin. Peace.